Yo, back again here. Okay, so I just left my car at the workshop. Went to check at my normal mechanic that I go to, which is Auto Wheels at 48 Toguan Road East. I'll leave a description down below. Okay, recommended for Continental cars, especially Volkswagen, Mercedes, BMW, all those Continental cars. They are very familiar with Continental cars. I mean, good pricing, good service, and definitely trusted mechanic. So went down to my mechanic. So let them hear the sound. What they told me is it's my aircon compressor and probably my tensioner. So quoted me about $860. So I guess it's quite a good deal, but we'll just have to wait and see what is the real issue. So I'm at the shopping mall nearby, waiting for them to give me a call, and then I'll just drop by. Stay tuned, I'll keep you updated. So what have they done to the car? Right. So apparently it's my compressor and the pulley. Right. So now the wind noise is gone. Stay tuned. I think I'll update you guys how much the total damage of the cost later. Alright. Hey guys, just collected my car. So yeah, like the mechanic just expected. Just now when I brought in the car, right, so he told me this one is your aircon compressor and the tensioner. So that's what exactly they changed. Total damage 850, guys, very cheap. Other place I ask around, I get my friends to help ask around, it's about 900 plus. So highly recommend this shop, bro. Okay, it's at 48 Toguan Road East Enterprise Hub. Auto Wheels. Okay, can look for Luis, and his whole team of mechanic are good, guys, really. So 850 total damage done. Change a new compressor that's gonna last me about few more long years. Okay, and the tensioner. So now the noise is gone. Finally managed to rectify what is it, and I'm really happy with the car condition right now. So next, anticipating my clutch and flywheel change. So stay tuned. Not gonna be so soon. Currently the car clutch and the gear is not giving me any problems yet. There's no jerks during change of gears. But what do you expect, right? So COE car, 10 over years. I mean, this car just reached 10 years old. Even with its low mileage, you expect all this wear and tear to happen lah. So right, thank you for tuning in.